Hello friends, today we'll discuss about what are the instructions used for code also or use additional code in ICT coding. In ICT encoding there are scenarios where we have to use multiple codes, and there are instructions with the code also or use additional code along with ICT encodes where we have to use additional code to give more information regarding the diagnosis. So let us see what codes and what are the some examples used for coding this code also or additional code instructions. So first example is N40.1 used for benign prostatic hyperplasia with lower urinary tract symptoms. So here this code is used for enlarged prostate with lower urinary tract symptoms. So here we have to give us an additional code along with N40.1. So there are list of codes where here you can see with incomplete bladder emptying, for nocturia, for straining on urination, for urinary frequency, for urinary hesitancy, for urinary incontinence, urinary obstruction, urinary retention, urinary urgency, weak urinary stream. So these are the codes which should be used along with the ICD-10 code and 40.1. So these actually secondary codes are required to give more information regarding the ICD-10 diagnosis and 40.1. So this for N41.1 we have to use any one of these codes documented in the medical report. Next example is Z3A code. So Z3A code is actually used to specify the weeks of gestation. So this code is actually used along with the complication code. So here you can see you have to code first the complications of pregnancy, childbirth, and the puripm from the category O09 to O09A, and then you have to give the code Z3A code for weeks of gestation. So there will be two codes. First will be the primary complication of pregnancy code, followed by the weeks of gestation code from Z3A category. Then this example is very common: hypertensive heart disease with heart failure and hypertensive chronic kidney disease with stage 5 chronic kidney disease or stage renal disease. So here you have to give the primary code I11.0 for hypertensive heart disease with heart failure, and secondary code will be the type of heart failure as per the instruction given below the ICD-10 code. So another code is I12.0. Here also you have to use the additional code to identify the stage of chronic kidney disease. So here you have to use in both condition two codes to give more specific information about the diagnosis. Now the example fourth is at 51.81 for encounter for therapeutic drug level monitoring. So here also you have to give an additional code for drug therapy, that is Z79 from Z79 series. Primary code will be Z51.81 followed by the code Z79 series. Next are follow-up codes Z08 and Z09. So here you have to give the additional code to identify the for Z08 you have to give the additional code for personal history of malignant neoplasm or any absence of organ from Z90 series. For Z09 you have to give the additional code to identify any applicable history of disease code, that is from Z86 or Z87. So hope you have cleared your confusion regarding coding the code also or additional code. If you have any confusion, you can give your feedback in the comment section, and if you have gained any knowledge, please do like this video and share it. Please subscribe to my channel to get all the updates related to medical coding. Thank you.